Hi viewers, welcome. I'm Greg Gunter, the Dream Pro Realtor here in San Miguel de Allende, Mexico. You're gonna love taking a look at my newest listing today, team. This is called Casa de Salca. It's a trip around the world. You're gonna see a lot of international architecture here. It's primarily a Spanish colonial style, but we have lots of Moroccan and Indian and Indonesian influences throughout the house. Little touches and architectural details, door frames, antiquities that you'll see around the house. It's a phenomenal trip around the globe. You're gonna love the architecture inside this beautiful estate. You see the facade behind me and the old India door behind me. It's an antique. They've used a number of these throughout the house. Now we're at the end of a cul-de-sac in a gated community. So this is a great private location, no traffic, lots of privacy, clubhouse and a pool, but we've got our own pool and the small pool, at least in the back. You're gonna love taking a look at the inside in just a sec. Come with me, let's take a look at Casa de Salca. Come join me. Hi viewers, welcome back. Now we're inside Casa de Salca. You're gonna see this beautiful great room that I'm standing inside of. We've got a huge canyon boveda ceiling that connects the entire great room here. Real structural brick, just like in the Spanish colonial style, with a cantera cornice that's uplit. So beautiful ceiling in this place, double height ceiling. I'm standing next to this custom cantera fireplace that you see here. It's huge. As you see, it's taller than me. We've got one in each bedroom. So all of these fireplaces are custom carved cantera, just like the Spanish colonial style. Lots of phenomenal detailing you'll see in here. Wait till you see the master bath and the master suite. Oh my God, you're gonna wanna spend all day in the master bath. It's a phenomenal home. You're gonna love taking a look at Casa de Salca with me. Come join us for this great video. Come join me.